Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're gonna recreate a woman with a parasol originally created by Monet. So we're gonna start with stage 1 with the sky, which is also the background of today's painting. So what I'm gonna do with my medium brush, I add the different colors in the blue range, so blue, a bit of green, a hint of yellow, and then with short strokes I apply the paint on my canvas, just like this. Because I'm right-handed, I'm gonna start in the left. So if you're right-handed as well, just start with me on the left and we work our way towards the right and then down. So we apply the paint thickly and in a diagonal motion on the canvas. Every stroke can have different colors. So for this grass section, I am gonna stick to a small brush. And with this small brush, I can make sure that I create lovely individual grass strokes. And remember, every stroke will get a nice texture if you add a lot of paint on your brush. So I'm gonna start towards the left side and both on the left and on the right side of her dress with adding soft touches of color. So this is like a light pink, a nice light purple, light yellow, light green, hint of light brown, all little strokes. And after that, we're gonna go towards the shadow, which is under the woman. And the shadow is a kind of dark green color, dark green with some hints of brown and blue in it as well. And then the final part for the grass is this whole area towards the bottom, towards the middle section, and the bottom is the nice dark pink coloring towards the middle / bottom part of the grass. So now we're gonna create on the left side of her dress a nice soft pink color. It's with a lot of white and we do some variations. So in some colors we add a bit more yellow. We just play around with all those beautiful colors. Well done on your beautiful masterpiece. I hope you love your painting as much as I do. Your own take on Monet's A Woman with a Parasol. I hope you're gonna hang it somewhere nicely on the wall for everyone to admire your artistic talents. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon again. Bye!